Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, привет. Today on my birthday, I am treating myself to these paper daisy flowers. I will provide a brief overview of the process. You can find the materials listed in the description. First, draw two circles of radius 1.5 cm and 4.6 cm. Cut them out to create a template. Use the template to trace and cut more flowers from paper. So in total, you will need 2 layers of daisy flowers. If you prefer, go for 3 layers. It's completely your choice. Next, cut a small circle and make a hole in the middle. Do this for the flowers. Take a wire, insert 2 flowers and the small circle, applying glue between the layers. Next, use pliers to bend the wire and securely attach it with glue to the paper, ensuring it stays in place without coming loose. Grab 3 pieces of paper, sketch circles with radius 1.5 cm and 2.4 cm. Outline the sepals, cut them, paint with acrylic, wait for an hour to dry. Fold and glue the sepals to the flower's bottom. Lastly, glue a small piece of colored paper below the sepal, wrapping the wire. Now sketch the leaves on a sheet of paper, cut them out and color them. Then take a 10 mm white paper strip and wrap it around the wire, attaching the leaves to it. After wrapping the wire, take different sets of yellow strips, each 46.7 cm long and 10 mm wide. Fold each strips a few times, cut fringes with scissors and repeat for at least 7 strips. Join them to make one long fringed strip, totaling 8 strips. Form a round coil with a toothpick. Gently push it from inside and glue to secure. Finally, attach the coil on the top of the flower. So this is how you can make paper daisy flower.